Welcome, I'm Ligaya from Bouquet and Kennels, and today we're diving deep into our exclusive series designed to master your Gingr client portal. Your presence here is invaluable. Should you have any questions beyond what's covered, don't hesitate to reach out to our office. This is lesson number 1, getting started with your Gingr account. You'll need to do these steps from a computer. The mobile portion won't work until you've registered using the desktop version. And remember, Gingr works best with Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. By now, you should have received an email with the subject line, Welcome to Gingr for Bouquet and Kennels. This will provide you with the link to your login portal. It should look like this. Use the email you provided us to log in. If this is your first time, click on the Reset Password link to get to the email that will allow you to create the password. Then navigate back to this screen and log in. First thing to do once you reach this page is to navigate to your account and sign your agreements. There are separate agreements for boarding and grooming. They're under the Waivers and Agreements icon. In this page, you can also manage your pet profiles, upload vaccine records, see estimates for future stays, and pay existing invoices or purchase daycare packages. Each of these items will be in separate videos. For now, we're just focusing on getting you ready for your pet's first stay. Once you've completed the basics, sign your agreement, manage profile, upload records, you're ready to go. Make sure to send us any questions you have that we may have missed in our tutorial videos, and check out our other videos that will help you get the most out of your client portal. You can also watch for additional videos on all things pet related, from finding the right trainer to keeping your pet healthy. We recognize that you have choices for your pet's care. Thank you for placing your trust and family's well-being in our hands at Bouquet and Kennels.